Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make fixed navigation bar in Figma. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To make a fixed navigation bar in Figma on the top and bottom so it stays visible while scrolling, what you can do is simply open up your browser, then on the search bar type in figma.com, and once that's done, select the project that you're working on. Now, once you do that, if you haven't designed the navigation bar, simply click on the rectangle tool or press Alt to create a navigation bar and then drag to resize the navigation bar. And once that's done, what you need to do is simply select or click the rectangle box, which is your navigation bar. And then once that's done, on the right hand side you'll find the option that says constraints. Simply select constraints, and under constraints check the small box that says fixed position when scrolling. And then once that's done, set constraints and ensure scrollable content by selecting the frame containing the content below, and on the right side select worked overflow behavior and vertical scrolling. And once that's done, you can also select the navigation bar by heading over to the left hand side of the screen and then heading over to the prototype option. And once that's done, on the scroll behavior you'll find a fixed stay in place option. If that isn't the option selected, simply click it and then select the fixed stay in place. Now that will let the navigation bar be stilled in once the content scrolls from the parent frame. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.